Working from home or remotely does not mean you're going to have less tax benefits. In fact, you may even have more in some cases. That is why in this video, I want to give you 5 tax write-offs you should be taking advantage of come tax time, my friend. But before we jump in, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any wealth building information. Now, let's get after it. Number 1, business startup costs. When you are working from home, you have a tendency to forget about what costs you incurred to start your business. I want to make sure that you get all of your business startup costs, even costs you may have incurred prior to the year or prior to your business starting. The second thing you got to make sure you're writing off are your business assets, your business equipment. Many of us, when we work from home, we already grab a desk, we already have a laptop, we already have a lot of things. So we just get all that stuff together and we use it. But we never wrote that stuff off because technically we didn't buy it in the beginning for business. So make sure you write off all your business equipment that you are currently using for business. The third thing I want to make sure you're writing off is your homeowner's insurance or your renter's insurance. If your homeowner's insurance or your renter's insurance is helping cover your equipment and you are going to be able to stake a claim in the event that something happens, you want to make sure that you're getting that as a write-off. Number 4, a portion of the rent or the mortgage payment. Now that's mission critical. Just because you live there doesn't mean that you cannot take a portion of that rent or that mortgage payment as a write-off against your business. If you had to go rent someplace else, you would be paying for that space. So allocate a portion of the rent or your mortgage payment to a write-off for your business. Number 5, a second phone line or your internet line. IRS considers the first phone line to be primarily for your home. But if you have an internet line or a second phone line, you definitely want to write that off because nowadays we cannot do business without an internet line. Let's just face it, we have to have that. So because of that, you need to take that as a write-off and don't just assume because I have internet at home, it's no longer a business write-off. You want to make sure that you get that written off on your taxes. So now that you know the 5 things that you may be overlooking, make sure you gather that information come tax time and get a great tax write-off to keep your cash in your pocket. And now that you know better, you absolutely have to do better. That is why you need to like and comment and subscribe so I can keep you updated on all things business, tax, and wealth building.